I'm just doing a quick episode. In this episode, I'm gonna focus on subtracting fractions. So in our last episode, we were adding fractions. In this episode, we're gonna do subtracting fractions. So it's the same concept. We're not adding anything different. We're just changing the pluses to minuses. So we want to make sure we get the greatest common factors of all these, so we can know what to do. So same with here. We want to put this as base 6. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna times to make turn this into something we can make divisible. You can times this by 2. Times this by 2. That's a mistake, my bad. So you times this one by 2 to make that base of 6. Times this by 3 to make this base at 6. And now so this bottom becomes 6, so we can just rewrite this as 4 minus 3 over 6. This becomes 1 over 6. Alright, that's the answer. Alright, and now for example 2. This exact same concept, so we have to make the common denominator. So this time it's going to be was 5 and 7. So 5, you have to pick a number that both 5 and 7 go into the lowest number that 5 and 7 both go into. So what we can see, okay, we have, well, it can't be 5, it can't be 7. Is it 15? No, 7 doesn't go into that. 20? No. 25? No. What about 35? So we can make this out of 35. So we want to times this by 7 to get to 35, means we have to do the top by 7. We times this by 5 to get to 35, which means we have to do the top by 5 as well. So now we have to go 14 minus 10. And the bottom is commutative, so you can just write it as 35. Four out of 35. So yeah, you can check these on your calculator too if you have the time. 2, 7. 1 minus 1/2. This one's easier as we just write this as base 2. Remember, everything divided by itself is 1, so 1 is the same as 2 divided by 2. This is the same as 2 over 2 minus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 2. And that's your answer for the short one. So this one's a shorter episode, but I hope you get the concept. It's the exact same thing as adding fractions. We're just going in the opposite direction of the negative side. Enjoy your day, guys.